You've likely heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." But have you ever wondered if it's actually true? This age-old adage, with its origins steeped in folklore, has been passed down through generations. It suggests the humble apple holds the key to good health and longevity. Today, we're going to peel back the layers of this claim, exploring the latest research studies on the health benefits of apples. But before we accept this as fact, let's dig a little deeper and examine what science has to say. First, let's take a closer look at the nutritional content of apples. Apples, often praised as a nutritional powerhouse, are brimming with essential nutrients that contribute to our overall health. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Moving on to vitamins, apples are a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts the immune system and helps fend off harmful bacteria and viruses. But that's not all. Apples are also rich in antioxidants, which fight off harmful free radicals, slowing down aging processes and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, apples contain flavonoids, compounds that have been associated with a wide range of health benefits, from improving heart health to reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. As you can see, apples are packed with nutrients that are essential for our health. But how does this translate to keeping the doctor away? Numerous studies have explored the health benefits of apples. Bursting with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, these crunchy delights are more than just a lunchbox staple. In the realm of cardiovascular health, researchers have found a strong correlation between apple consumption and a decreased risk of heart disease. The soluble fiber in apples helps to lower our body's overall cholesterol levels, while the flavonoids present can reduce inflammation, a key contributor to cardiovascular issues. Now let's talk about diabetes. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate at least one apple a day had a 28% lower chance of developing type 2 diabetes than those who didn't. Apples' low glycemic index and rich fiber content help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a smart choice for those looking to manage or prevent diabetes. Moving on to cancer, several studies have suggested that the antioxidants and dietary fiber in apples might contribute to a lower risk of developing certain types of cancer, including lung and colon cancer. And let's not forget about gut health. Apples are a great source of dietary fiber, which acts as fuel for our gut bacteria, helping to maintain a healthy and balanced gut microbiome. These studies provide compelling evidence that apples can contribute to maintaining our health. But can they truly keep the doctor away? So, can an apple a day really keep the doctor away? It's a question we've been pondering since we first heard the saying. Let's break it down with what we've learned. Apples are indeed a nutritional powerhouse. They're packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, which can contribute to general well-being and potentially ward off certain health conditions. We've also discussed the various health benefits linked to consuming apples regularly. They're associated with heart health, weight management, and even certain types of cancer prevention. But the key word here is linked. While apples can certainly aid in maintaining a healthy body, they aren't the end-all be-all. Apples are not a substitute for regular medical checkups or a balanced diet. They are just one piece of the puzzle. Your overall lifestyle, including exercise, sleep, stress management, and dietary habits, factor into your health. In conclusion, while an apple a day can certainly contribute to good health, it's not a magic bullet. Regular checkups, a balanced diet, and a healthy lifestyle are still your best bet for keeping the doctor away.